Shots from around the village. Guess what, folks? They miss playing online poker back at Trilogy.
No.
Oh, what are you looking at?
I'm trying.
From around the village. Why are a lot of these shots always at the dinner table? I heard John has a new word for dining, and that is, John?
Grazing.
Grazing?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's what's your phrase? Grazing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's John's new word for dining, folks. Grazing. Hola. Shots from around the village, and guess who we run into? It's Deb, going to her chair on the beach. Once again, a wonderful way to vacation with the whole family. Grandpa, grandma, the kids, and the grandkids. Look at what they do for the children here. It's unreal. Wall climbing, trapeze, tennis, archery, trampolining, soccer.
Are you okay, Kimra? Yeah? Kimra, you want to try to bring the legs up? Put your legs up. Legs up on the bar. Legs up.
Yeah, good job.
Put your legs around the bar, Camden.
Hook your knees on the bar. Camden.
The mini club, Pity Club. Look at that. That's how the Geos get real strong. Once again, folks, these are shots from village life, and you can see some of the Trilogy members already on the beach, also partaking in all the different sports activities. Here we go. Trilogy members getting ready for Zumba. Zumba class with Trilogy. There we go.
La vida.
Good job, Noreen. Village life. Look at that. There we go. Vistancia, Redmond Ridge doing their little powwow, organizing their day.
We already organized.
You're already organized.
Yeah, mimosas for breakfast.
Perfect.
Right down
Everyone all right?
on the beach. We were just
Good.
perfect.
Here we go. Guess what? At the bar. I won't say anything.
It's only 7:30 in the morning. You're late, Greg.
There we go. Wonderful Geo team.
Morning.
Voilà.
Morning.
Representing all colors, nations of the world.
Yes, especially this one.
Yeah, Lebanon, France, Tunisia, France, and yes, Canada.